Hi, my name is GM and welcome to another Drift Exhaust car review. On our previous car review, we've talked about the looks and performance of the new Ford EcoBoost Mustang. We were impressed with its futuristic design and the EcoBoost engine technology, which is just a small engine, yet packs a big punch. So if you want to get more details about that car and you missed my review, just click on the link below. But today, we're going to talk about its big brother. This is the kind of brother that you go to when you're in trouble. This is the Ford 5.0 V8 Mustang. When you talk about this car, looks is just a bonus. The reason you're buying a V8 is ultimately because of its performance. That being said, I'm just going to give you a 360-degree look of the GT to let you quickly appreciate its beauty, and then we go to the meat of the subject, its engine. The V8 engine has been the heart and soul of this tank. The new 5.0 motor is proving to be the king of baseline V8s since the addition of charge motion control valves and new higher flowing cylinder heads with revised high flow ports to improve airflow into the motor. Along with the new cylinder head design, Ford also put a larger intake and exhaust valves with stiffer valve springs. They also improved the rotating assembly with forged rods and better balanced crankshaft. Top that all off with the new intake and exhaust camshafts, and you have a vastly improved Coyote 5.0 engine. The result? Higher compression ratio and higher redline, which translates to 15 horses and 10 pound-foot of torque higher compared to the last generation of Mustang, producing 435 horses and 400 pound-foot of torque. On this project, we've installed the true dual catback exhaust system, where you have two 3-inch stainless steel pipes running from the left and the right side of the engine, connected via X-pipe and all the way back to our free-flowing mufflers. One of the primary reasons why you buy a Mustang is to experience the essence of driving a muscle car, which means thunderous exhaust note and heart-pounding power. You don't buy this car because it's pretty, you buy this car because it's vicious. So with performance in mind, our challenge was unleashing all those horses out of its engine by improving the stock exhaust system of the Mustang. Upgrading the exhaust system means ensuring exhaust gases exit the muffler tip as quickly as possible. This is achieved by removing restrictions such as the chambered muffler and resonators, removing unnecessary bends present on the stock pipes, and improving the overall diameter of the tube. The result is absolute perfection. Let's see how this sounds. Now that, my friend, is the sound of a muscle car. When it comes to power, there is really no shortage of that in this car. Even if you're driving uphill, trying to overtake, or in track, as soon as you press that gas pedal, you immediately feel the power of this car. And that's what this car was really bred for, you know? Driving around the corner and this car feels stable. had fun. Thank you.